some unboxing again. This one is Herono Fight for Joy. Ito yung box niya. Hindi ko sinira. I opened it over here. And this is Herono. And ito yung kanyang bahay. Ayan, ganda, diba? Super cute. Super cute. Okay, unboxing muna bago umalis. Ayan, ganda. Okay, next one. Mabilis lang tayo. Kasi magpapak pa tayo. This one, si Dimo. Alright. Super ganda rin. Okay. Alright. Right here. Tada! Super cute. Ang cute. Grabe. Ang grabe. Si Dimo. Okay. Namumupa. Hindi namumupa guys. Pero super cute. Another one on my collection. Dimo. So I have Dimo. Herono. And this one. Ito yung gusto ko. Beanie Bubble Up. So, let's open. Please, mommy. Ito laging out of stock. Na ano ko to, madaling araw. When I open, there's an available. Sabi ko, order na. Okay, let's see. Ang pangalan ito, si Sweet. I think it's Sweet. If I'm not mistaken. Nasaan yung card niya? Here's the card. Yeah, ito. Tapos, you have to squeeze it. Ito yung gusto. Ching. Okay. I bought another one. Ganda niya talaga. Ang cute. Squeeze. And then the other one, this one, ang color nito. Si Smug. Alam ko si Smug kasi may sweet na. So this one, kasi I ordered it sa Pop now. So they're gonna pop it. They're gonna reveal what I ordered. Ito yung kanyang, yan si Smug. Smug ang face. Cute. Okay. Squeeze. Let's try. Ay. Love it. Love it. Ayan na. Si Sweet. Tingnan mo naman. Sweet and Smug. The Smug look. Okay. Madali. Another one. I have two big into energy. So, may madodoble dito. Sa in-order ko. Ito yung una kong dalawa. Si Hope and Happiness. So, dito may isang Hope. So, tingnan natin kung nasaan. Bilisan mo, mommy. At anong oras na? Ganda na ng nila, pambalot. Ayan, ganda. Okay, let's see. Ano ito? Si rin. Si Hope. Mas maganda. Darker Hope. Ito, lighter hope. Oh, my gulay. They're different. Bibigay ko pa naman sana yung isa, kaya lang they're different. Ay, I'm gonna keep it. So cute. This is the first one, light na hope. And the darker version. Ang cute. Mas fluffy yung ano niya, dito yung bagong version. Okay. Alright. Ito yung kanyang. Ang cute naman. Ayan. Ang cute. Cute. Grabe. Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay. Bilis. This is, ano nga to? I think, kung di ako nagkakamali, Serenity. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Ay, hindi pala! Mali naman ang ano ba to? Is this Serenity? I think so. Ba't parang kamukha siya ni Hope? Yeah, this is Serenity, kulay green. Hindi makita ang pagka-green. Medyo hawig tuloy siya kay yung first Hope ko. Ayan o. Light green ang ano niya. Light green. Yeah. They look a little bit the same. Ito, light blue. This is light green. Mas gusto ko sana super, sana green. Pero okay na rin. Maganda pa rin. Para si Serenity. So, ito yung aking mga big into energy. Okay. I have two hope. Buti naman at magkaibang klase. Isang light, isang medyo dark. And serenity and happiness. Okay. Alright. One more. Nasa na? Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. And the last one. Monster. Ito. Hindi ko alam kung ang tawag. MAK. Okay, sana. Ito kahit ano, magaganda sila lahat. So, I forgot what did I got here. I think hindi pala to Pop Now sa Pop Mart. Pero hindi siya, hindi siya Pop Now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Ayun. Oh! Ganda. Okay. Tanggalin natin plastic. May plastic pa. Okay. Okay, meron na siyang baril. Ito yung kanyang helmet. Wait lang. Okay, ayan. Then the helmet. Paano ba ito? Ganyan ba siya? Ganyan lang ba siya? Pinakuha. Paano ba ito? Ayun. Ayun. Ganun, ayan. Okay. Tadaan! Tadaan! Okay. Ayun lang. Sige. I got a lot. I got my Dimu, my Herono, ito, and aking Pocky. This is Pocky. Pocky. I love it, Pocky. Saka syempre yung aking mga babies. Big into energy, babies. Okay. Bye-bye.